Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome to back a brand new video once again. It's me, Muwaj Maliha, singing for of you, and with dear Muwaj Maliha. So in this video, I'm gonna ask a few questions to my dear sister Maliha. So Maliha, are you ready?
Yes, Moss, I'm always ready.
So there are hundreds, thousands of fruits in the entire world. So among them, which one is your favorite?
Oh, really? My favorite fruit is blackberry.
Oh, that's incredible. Second question for you. I still learned that there are about 3,000 languages in the entire world. So, expecting your mother tongue, without your mother tongue, which language do you like most?
Oh, I like most English language and I learned by my heart and soul. I know that there are a lot of benefits and there are lots of reasons behind it, but I think my favorite language is English.
Oh, so why do you like English very much? Because there are so many languages like Arabic, Mandarin, Japanese, Korean, French. So why do you like this language very much?
First of all, I learned it and I have seen that if any person communicate with other person, so English is essential. So English needs everywhere. So that's why it's a really easy tips and tricks to connect with them. Also, guys, you know that for speaking English is suitable. I learned it so I can say it.
Oh, that's really good. It sounds very fantastic that you like English very much because it has so many benefits.
Yes,
so,
sounds good.
Next question for you that do you support English speaking or English listening or English reading to learn English? Which one do you support?
To me, I support English listening.
Oh, that's really good. So why don't you support English speaking? Don't have any much efforts in learning English?
Yes, as my opinion, so for a beginner person, it is really important to learn listening. After that, whenever you are thinking that you are doing great, you can speak like native, you should speak a lot.
Wow, that's really incredible answer for me.
Oh,
I'm
really?
too satisfied. I'm really too satisfied about this. I think viewers is also too satisfied. So, would you like to ask me some question about anything else?
Sure.
Now it's your turn. Anything else? Like, I want to ask you also one very special question, the last question of myself.
You carry on.
Yeah, of myself in this video. So, would you like to share with me, suppose if you become the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, now you have a chance for giving the students and learners a great opportunity. So, will you give them English learning opportunity or English learning classes in their school or college? Will you give?
First of all, I want to say to you and to my viewers that I don't like politics and politician. Also, I don't have any goal to become prime minister. And second one, as Muaz has mentioned, so I should say definitely everybody should learn this language because it's a international and a global language. As a global language, every person in the world exists, so they should learn it.
Yeah, you're right. It's a global language, guys. That's why we should learn this language. Suppose, Maliha, you go to France and their mother tongue is French. You don't have any much more idea. You can't understand, you can't read, listen, even speak in French language. So which language will you use to communicate with French people? Like, do you use your mother tongue?
No, definitely not. Absolutely not. Because their mother tongue is French, but I can't speak in French. I just can speak in English. So in that case, I should use English language.
Oh, that's really cool answer for me. I'm really too pleased of your answer. Oh, Maliha, I forgot to ask you one very special question. Now
Oh,
we are
really?
talking.
I'm just waiting.
Oh, now we're talking about regarding to language. So, but I didn't still tell you that how many languages can you speak in?
Oh, the matter of sorrow, guys, that I can speak 2 languages.
Oh, so what are they? I mean, Bengali or English? Is it right?
Yes, first one is my mother tongue and second one is English.
Oh, that's really cool. But I can speak in 3 languages. In my mother tongue, too fluently. In my English language, a little bit, sometimes I get stuck.
Oh, really?
And thirdly, I can speak a little bit in Hindi language. That's really good.
Oh, it didn't come in my mind that Hindi language. Oh, it's not as difficult as you're thinking. I think that from your childhood you were supposed to and you're used to watch so many Hindi cartoons. So you
Yeah,
can
you're
learn
right.
it,
You're
right?
right. So through this, you can understand that through listening more and more Hindi cartoon, I have learned this. I have captured the understanding and speaking in Hindi. Like this, if you want to learn English, so learning English and listening is just for you. So thank you so much, my dear friends, for watching this video till then. If you get any kind of information from this video, please like, comment, and share just for Maliha. See you later on in a video, and please subscribe. Goodbye.
Goodbye.